Think your English is better than beginner level? Let's find out with this 10-question English challenge. By the end of this challenge, you'll estimate your English level and discover what you already know and what you still need to practice. Each question has 4 choices, and you'll have 10 seconds to answer. After every question, I'll explain the correct answer so you can learn from every mistake. Ready to test yourself? See if you can score 10 out of 10, and don't forget to check your level at the end. Let's begin. Question 1. Where you from? A. Do. B. Are. C. Is. D. Am. Choose the best answer. The correct answer is B. Are. We say, "Where are you from?" because we use are with you. Remember, we use am with I, is with he, she, it, and are with you, we, and they. Let's move to the next question. Question 2. What is your name? Choose the best response. A. My name is Anna. B. I am fine. C. I'm 20 years old. D. Nice to meet you. Choose the best answer. The correct answer is A. My name is Anna. When someone asks, "What is your name?" you answer with your name. For example, my name is Ben. Now let's continue. Question 3. How old are you? Choose the best response. A. I'm from Canada. B. My name is Ben. C. Nice to meet you. D. I'm 25 years old. Choose the best answer. The correct answer is D. I'm 25 years old. We answer, "How old are you?" with our age. Notice we say, "I'm 25 years old." We don't answer with our name or where we're from. A common beginner mistake is answering with different personal information, such as, "My name is Ben," or "I'm from Canada." Those answers are correct English, but they answer different questions. Let's move on. Question 4. My English class starts 8 o'clock. A. In. B. On. C. At. D. To. Choose the best answer. The correct answer is C. At. We use at for an exact time. For example, at 8 o'clock. Remember, use in for months or years, and on for days. Let's keep going. Question 5. Do you like pizza? A. Yes, I do. B. Yes, I am. C. Yes, I like. D. Yes, I'm. Choose the best answer. The correct answer is A. Yes, I do. When someone asks a question with "Do you?" we usually answer "Yes, I do," or "No, I don't." That's the correct English pattern. Question 6. She, coffee every morning. A. Drink. B. Drinks. C. Drinking. D. Drank. Choose the best answer. The correct answer is B. drinks. Because the subject is she, the verb needs S. We say, she drinks coffee every morning. But we say, I drink, you drink. Only he, she, and it usually take S in the present simple. Question 7. I need to go A. To home, B. At home, C. Into home, D. Home. Choose the best answer. The correct answer is D. Home. After go, we simply say go home, not go to home. But we do say go to school, go to work. That's an important difference to remember. Question 8. She works a teacher. A. For, B. At, C. As, D. To. Choose the best answer. The correct answer is C. As. Here's an easy way to remember it. As equals job. At equals place. So, she works as a teacher. Job. She works at a school. Place. Question 9. Yesterday, my friend. A. Saw. B. See. C. Seen. D. Seeing. Choose the best answer. The correct answer is A. Saw. The word yesterday tells us the action happened in the past. The past tense of see is saw. So we say, yesterday I saw my friend. Not see, seen, or seeing. Final question. Which sentence is correct? A. Can help me you? B. Can you help me? C. Help can you me? D. You can help me? Choose the best answer. The correct answer is B. Can you help me? In English questions, we usually use this order: can plus you plus verb plus object. So we say, can you help me? The other choices have the words in the wrong order. Excellent work! Let's check your score. If you got 0 to 3 correct, you're just getting started. That's okay. Every expert was a beginner once. Keep practicing the basics, and you'll improve with every lesson. If you got 4 to 6 correct, you have a good A1 foundation. You understand many everyday English questions, and you're building the skills to have simple conversations. If you got 7 or 8 correct, you're almost at A2. Great job! You can understand and use many common English expressions. Keep practicing, and you'll become even more confident. If you got 9 or 10 correct, fantastic! You have strong beginner English skills, and you're ready for more challenging A2 lessons. Keep learning, and don't stop here. No matter your score, every question you answer helps you improve. Keep practicing, keep making mistakes, and keep learning. That's how your English gets better every day. How many questions did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fun English lessons and quizzes. Thanks for learning with me today. See you in the next video.